Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So I just want to bring you a 3-year update on the 2021 Acura TLX. I've had this a little over 3 years, and I want to give you my honest opinion about it, any issues I've had, that kind of thing. So if you're in the market for one. And believe it or not, I've only had one issue with this car in over 3 years. And if you have a Acura TLX, you probably already know what that is. It's a very common issue, but it's the puddle lights went out after about 8 months. They started flickering and then they just totally died. Now, they replaced them one time, and that's been over 2 years now, and they're still going strong. They're not flickering, nothing like that. So I don't know if it's a revised part, but it seems to be great because there's no issues with that. But it's been a great car, honestly. The paint's held up well. I have no door dings on it, which surprises me. Paint always shines up really nice. I love this color. It's been a great car. Like I said, the only thing it has, which most cars will have after a few years, is a rattle here and there inside. I've tried to pinpoint where it is, but as you guys know, it's almost impossible sometimes to find it without taking all this stuff apart. So nothing major, but it's been a really good car. I love the handling of it. And the most important thing, like I said, is I've had no issues with it over 3 years now. I have a little over 14,000 miles on it. Just done the standard oil changes, tire rotation. I just did the differential service on it and the brake fluid exchange. As long as you stay on the basic maintenance, these cars will last you a very long time. As long as it doesn't have any, there's always those few cars that have major issues, but they're far and few between. They really are. A lot of times on these forums, you hear of a lot of issues with them, but at least for me personally, it's been a great car. I love how it handles. The all-wheel drive really sticks in the corners. The gas mileage is getting better. Started out pretty bad, but like people always say, as the engine breaks in, it does get better mileage. And I'm getting 24 to 25 is what the average says on my car all the time now. And I drive about 60-40, I would say, highway, a little bit more highway, but plenty of city, and it's definitely jumped up. It used to be like 19-20 when it was like a year old, so it definitely is getting better. Always run premium in it, but nothing really bad to say about it. Like I said, they are expensive cars, but I can definitely tell you that it does have a different feel than like my old Accord had. People just say, oh, it's just a fancier Honda. That's not true. I mean, the handling's totally different. It's a different suspension. It's built from the ground up. Doesn't share any parts suspension-wise with any other car. And it does handle totally different. And just the driving characteristics, it feels a lot more planted on the road. And a lot of that's due to the extra weight. But it's been a great car. Like I said, I'm going to keep driving this thing. There's nothing out there that I've seen that I want in this price point. And I'm a firm believer, if you have a car and it doesn't have any major issues with it for years and years, that's a good car and one worth keeping. But if I heard a couple people have major issues with it in the first couple years, something like that, I would probably trade in or get rid of, just because once they start having issues, it's usually a issue that keeps on creeping back up. So, like I said, I don't really have anything bad to say about it, and I'm being 100% honest with you. If you guys are in the market and your budget allows you to spend a little bit more, it's definitely a great car. Like I said, it has the Honda reliability, which I like. Haven't had any issues taking it in, just maintenance and the puddle lights. Never leaves to be stranded. I love the looks of it. I get a lot of compliments all the time, even over 3 years later. So again, it's a great balance. As far as you get like the practicality of it, it's a sedan. It's not horrible gas mileage, and it handles really well. All of that with a company that you can trust to make reliable engines and transmissions, and that's the main thing. I really can't do CVTs, so the 10-speed's great, and the 2.0, as you guys know, is a bulletproof engine, and that's the main reason why I went this direction, because I know they're tried and true engine and transmissions, and that's the main thing of these vehicles that you don't really want to worry about later down the road. So again, I just wanted to share my experience with it. If you have any questions about them, definitely drop a comment in the comment section. I'll get back to you, help you any way I can. like I said, I'm being 100% honest. They're a great car if you want to spend that much money on a sedan. Now, if you want more budget friendly, then the Accord is definitely the way to go because it's about $20,000 cheaper. So again, just wanted to let you guys know my thoughts so far. I love it. Going on 4 years now. I wouldn't change anything about it. But let me know in the comment section, like if you have one, if you've had major issues, or what your experience has been with it. I'd like to definitely get different people's opinion as well. So again, I appreciate it. Just wanted to throw this out there to maybe help you guys out. Hope everyone's having a great day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks again, everybody.